Here we are inside the garage now, so without further ado, let me go ahead and reveal the new FD RX7. This is a right-hand drive Mazda 1993 Infiniti, technically RX7. So now let me go ahead and give you guys a walk around of the entire car, then we'll go over what I'm going to be doing to it. Alright guys, so here's the deal. I finally finished priming everything. It laid down really rough. I did 2 different guns over a couple of days and finally got it fairly smooth to the touch. I had to do a lot of wet sanding on the entire shell. So here's the entire shell primed, and you'll notice I am missing a lot of my other components that used to be hanging from the ceiling, because what I'm doing now is painting the base coat, the Montego blue, on the shell. I'm not going to rush. I'm going to do just the shell tonight, and then all the overspray, instead of landing on my hatch and all the crap that used to be here, it's just going to land on the ground so I don't have to do more sanding, and then hopefully this stays nice and flat. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot this with some base color now, and because this video is super long, I'm not going to film it. I'm just going to do it and show you guys the final product, then I'm going to clear it. Here we go. So, sorry about the lighting, it does not do the color justice, but here is my painted car. As you guys saw in the last video, I finished painting this car. It used to be silver and now it is Montego blue. And actually you guys have never seen it together panel wise. So here it is with the hatch, doors, and fender on. guys, welcome back to JDMods. Today we're going to be continuing the FD RX7 build. Hopefully you guys are caught up with all the episodes. As you know, it's now painted, the interior is assembled. In the last episode I just finished reassembling the engine bay accessories. So now we're finally on the exciting part of rebuilding the 13B. Hi guys, welcome back to JDMods. Today we are going to be continuing on the RX7 project. The main focus for today's video is going to be reassembling the 13B, doing a bit more engine-based stuff, and a few more things to tidy up on the actual chassis. We're getting really close. I've got the last rotor in, same thing as the other one, got all the apex, corner and side seals, etc. in there. Always a good idea to make sure everything springs up as it should before you put the other iron on. But yeah, everything's all lubed up. I got a bit of sealant on the feet so that the oil doesn't leak past the plates from the oil pan is why they're there. And now we're going to go ahead and make sure that the rear plate up here has all the seals in properly, grease up this surface, and the bearing. Then we're going to go put that on the stack. Then the last step is tension bolts. Well everyone, we did it. That is the 13B fully assembled. All the tension bolts are torqued to around 28 foot-pounds. And that is where I'm going to leave the video off today. It is just after midnight on a work night. So that's going to be it for today. Next up, we're going to dress up the engine with all of those parts there, attach the transmission, and put it in the car. Hey guys, welcome back to JDMods. And today we're going to try and put this 13B in my RX7. So the time has finally come to try and start the RX7 for the first time.